False alarm math and crime in progress verification. What is false alarm math? In this lesson, we explain a common misconception in the security industry, and we endeavor to explain why two separate approaches to reduce the waste associated with police response to false alarms have produced entirely different results. For more than 50 years, false alarms have been the bane of security system alarms. There are two different approaches to verification of security systems. One is focused on verifying that there is not an emergency at the protected premises and is referred to as false alarm reduction methods, or FARM. FARM methods include: Number 1, enhanced call verification. This is where you make two calls, one to the premises and the other to the customer's cell phone. Number 2, cross-zoning. This is where two different devices such as a contact or motion detector are both tripped. This eliminates causes related to a faulty device. Number 3, two-way voice. This is where the operator is able to open up two-way communication with the site through the keypad. A totally different approach is crime in progress verification, or CPV. And it uses either, number 1, video verification, where a camera is integrated with the operation of an alarm system so the central station operator can see who or what triggered the alarm, or number 2, impact audio verification. This is where sound-activated detectors are tripped by impacts of breaking glass or forced door opening, and then the central station operator can listen in and verify the cause of the alarm. Is a verified alarm a verified user error or a verified crime? The answer paints a paradigm because reducing problems is not the same as creating value. Verifying user error does reduce total police dispatches, but has little impact on the false alarm rates, which are still 98% and higher in most recent studies. Even after FARM, police typically make 50 to 100 false alarm runs to find a single burglary. To maximize central station monitoring's value to its customers, it is crucial that we embrace law enforcement's definition of crime in progress verification, or CPV, through video or impact audio verification. It is important to understand why increasing the probability of real crimes, even a few percentage points, matters to police, and the best way to do this is to think of crimes per response. Consider that 99% false actually means that 1% are true. Reducing the false alarm rate 9% from 99% to 90% means a tenfold increase in true crimes per response. The difference is enormous to police, not a paltry 9% better, but a solid 1,000% improvement. It means that instead of police going to 100 alarms to find a single burglary, there is an actual crime and potential arrest for only 10 alarm runs. Likewise, if we cut the false alarm rate in two, from 99% to 50%, it is not just twice as good. There are 50 times more crimes per police response, and even more arrests result. This is not impossible. In fact, when false alarms are reduced to these lower levels with video verification, published police case studies have documented arrest rates where 70% of real crimes are resulting in arrest.